Good morning from sunny Illinois. I'm back here in East Alton, Illinois, but leaving today. In fact, I'm putting on like 11 and a half hours of driving nonstop towards Texas today. Been working on the RV. I got a few of the old vinyl logos off and washed up. Let's see on the back. Yeah, I still got a little bit of scrubbing and cleaning to do when I get to Texas. See, you can still kind of see the residue there. I got the goof off to get all the sticky residue off. And but I want to talk to my buddy in here, Sean. He's got something he wants to share with you guys. Yeah, so you guys remember I come into Modified Auto. My buddy Sean owns this shop, and if I get a new RV, I'm definitely gonna have to stop on in for another stereo later, but I gotta get out of Illinois. It's cold. Well, my buddy is here, TJ, Sean, and Kyle. They actually have something I want to share with you guys. It's a website. It's something to help protect the youth of the area, and it has grown in popularity a lot.
I am flesh and I am bone, rise up, ting ting like glitter and gold.
What's it called, Kyle?
It's called KTS Predator Hunters.
KTS Predator Hunters. I will put a link in the video description. You can follow their channel on YouTube and Facebook. They're gonna catch the bad guys live, and it's a lot of fun. So check out their stuff. And thanks, Sean, for letting me stop in on by. Lots of driving today. We have officially left Illinois, and here we are in Arkansas. It looks really cold, doesn't it? I'm still shorts and a t-shirt, but it's different being on the road for a destination, because I'm not stopping, I'm not going and looking at quirky stuff. This is just, let's get to Texas, take care of business, and then we'll change things up later. So I'm seeing a lot of cool scenery, but I'm not making a whole lot of stops. I'm just putting on the miles in a relaxing mood with some coffee, and yeah. Just making it happen. I'm sorry I don't have anything else interesting to share with you, but I'm now due to arrive in Texas at about 2:30 in the morning, plus several gas fill ups. So probably closer to like 3:30 a.m. Yeah, I'm gonna be tired tomorrow. But all right, let's get back on the road. Oh yeah, it is a little cold out there actually. For shorts and a t-shirt, it's a little cold. Yeah, so I'm about 100 miles from Texarkana, right where I-30 is gonna hit the Texas line there, and just stopping for a little snack, plain McDouble and some French fries, and you know what kind of sauce this is? I'll bet it's Arkansas. Eric. Thank you, I'm here all day. I am stopped again here in just inside Texas at a rest area, and I'm gonna take a midnight shower just to kind of wake myself up, because I want to finish all the driving. I just want to get it out of the way and go see somebody special. As for Yoda, you know, I had thought that I was actually gonna make a video after I got her all cleaned up and everything, and say, here's what she looks like, and if you don't remember, here's what's been done, and here's what I've added, and here's all the extras and everything. But as it turns out, just from me mentioning to some of my viewers, well, to my viewers, in my last video about the idea of selling Yoda, I've had over 50 interested people, and I've had everything from offers of $25,000 to hold it for people to offers of $5,000 to give you $5,000 cash. You know, so it's been interesting. And the way these things work is, you know, I just start communicating with people. I'm like, yeah, I'll answer their questions. I'm as friendly as possible. And a few people have found it fun to mess with me and to play jokes and to waste my time. Whatever, it doesn't affect anything. They're just jealous haters. But as it turns out, it looks like Yoda's gonna sell really, really quickly, and for my asking price. And I'm not playing favorites, so this was never about a bidding war. This was just about helping somebody else who's ready for an RV that's ready to go boondock. So I'm pretty sure Yoda is already sold, guys. Just wanted to let you know. But if I have communicated with you on email, and if you have my newest number, because I've changed it like 4 times since my last video, then we'll stay in touch. If the first deal falls through, then I will go on down the list here in about a week or so. But right now, I'm just focused on getting parked for the night. Well, for the early morning, so let me go take my shower and we'll get back on the road. A good morning from cloudy Dallas, Texas, everybody. I got in after 3 a.m. last night and didn't want to talk to you guys because rolled into the parking lot here and came up close to stalk this white van you may recognize. So Angela and I are gonna go do some boondocking here in Texas for the day and hang out. So I'll share some later. I'll show you where our campsite is when we go down south. All right, been a while. Boondocking, no services, but a free campground. Miss Angela found this one here in southern Texas. We got a view of Lake Whitney over there. Look, Drezzy's out. You guys know Drezzy from Angela's channel? I'll put a link up top for her channel. He's, how old is he? 16?
He'll be 17. No, he's 17.
He's 17. He's an old man. Drezzy, man, what do you think, guy, man? You gonna go in the water? Huh? Yeah? Okay. That's funny. The first cat I show on my video today is not even Jax. Jax and Drezzy are both neutered males, so I don't know. We're kind of limiting their interaction right now because they're both so used to being a one-owner pet and being the only cat anywhere. But it's Lake Whitney out here, and I guess there's 2 free campsites out here. 14-day free camping this time of year. I mean, you really can't beat it. So yeah, I'm gonna let Jax out here. We're gonna get some solar hopefully tomorrow. And I just wanted to update you guys and say hi and let you know everything's going well. Like I said, I'm pretty sure I have Yoda sold here soon. Just got to arrange the pickup and everything and move out of her and have something different. I think you've assumed that by now anyway. So go say hi to Jax here real quick. Who's your buddy over there? Is that Mr. Drezzy? You guys cool just staying apart? Keeping each other's distance? Okay. Good boys. Getting some cat exercise? Alright, man. This is our spot, Jax. What do you think? Oh, okay. You gonna test that out? Is everything okay? Okay. Good. I'm glad. Is this gonna work for a couple days for you? Alright, man. Alright, man. I'm gonna go talk to Drezzy. Drezzy the kitty? The kitty? No? Okay. You do your own thing then, okay? So like I said, I just wanted to update you after driving so many miles and getting here. I could really use some relaxed time and hanging out and just mellowing down. So yeah, I'll give you an update when applicable. All right, guys, have a good day. Bye-bye.